Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on Strava app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Strava app and you will click here in this window. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.